In this video, I'll show you how to enter a bill in Xero. First, sign in to your Xero account and go to Business, then select Bills to Pay. Click New Bill to create a new bill. Next, choose the supplier or create a new contact if needed. Enter the bill date, due date, invoice number, and any reference information provided by the supplier. After that, add the line items for the bill. Enter the description, quantity, unit price, account code, and tax rate for each item. Review the totals to make sure everything matches the supplier's invoice. Now, attach a copy of the supplier's invoice if you'd like to keep it with the bill. Review all of the information to ensure it's accurate before continuing. Finally, click Approve to record the bill and make it ready for payment, or click Save if you want to finish it later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enter a bill in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.